Hey guys, Ron here. So as you know, Valentine's Day is coming up, and the other day I saw this viral TikTok video where this girl was showing off a website built by her nerdy boyfriend who probably just learned how to write HTML last week, right? Some people find it cringe. I thought that's pretty cute. So I decided to steal this idea and turn it into a product. And here is a quick demo to show you how you can create your own version of the site. Check this out. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go to can you go out with .me. And remember, this is the finished product. So this will be the page that you'll send to your special someone. But let's just go through it together just for the sake of it. So I'm going to click on yes, and then click me OK. And I'm going to choose February 14th, submit, and go with sushi, and I'll go with boba, and I'll go with park. Nice. Okay. And I'm going to say create my own. So this is where you can customize your own page. Now, if you want to make this Valentine's one to remember by creating a unique quiz for your special someone, this is the place to do it. So what you get with this is you can upload your own images or GIFs. You'll get a unique link to your page so that you can send that to the person, and you can customize the questions. In the end, after every question has been answered, you will receive all of the answers to your email. So let's do that right now, right? Let me show you how to do that. I'm gonna say create now. Okay, I'll sign in. So this is what you will see after you upgrade. And let me choose a unique name. Let's just say Jessica, whatever. And click on start creating. Okay, it's created. Now you'll be able to edit, right? Let's say you want to change this to banana, whatever. Just making shit up. Okay, you can save that. You can also change this image. Let me upload a new GIF. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go to next step. So as you can see, you can modify it however you wish. So thanks. Then don't go yet. I like this image actually. I'm gonna keep that. So I'll save that and then click on next step. This is the sad response. I think that's fine. Click on next step. And I'm okay with this title, so I'm gonna click on next step. And I'll change the title to be what do you want to eat? I'll save that. Okay, and then click on next step. Which dessert are we eating? I think that's fine. I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna click on next. And what would you like to do after? I'll just change it for the sake of it. So activities. Okay, and then save it. Then click on next step. And I'm going to change this image as well. So I'll change that to this GIF. Awesome. So that has been changed. And when you're done, you can click on publish. So I'm going to publish this page, and it's going to direct me to this site with the name that you chose, right? So you can just send this link to your person, and this is what they will see, right? So now let's click through this just to show you the experience from the other person's perspective, right? Okay, I'm going to click on yes. And then, yeah, you see, this is your edited text. Now keep clicking, and I'm going to choose a date. Okay, just random hot dog, whatever, park, right? And voila. And now if you check your inbox, you should be able to, and there we go. Okay, it says someone has completed your can you go out with me, and here are their responses. Nice.